join us in giving a warm holiday welcome to Tina and the Sounds of Celebration.
Celebrate with us. Oh, that's not good enough. We said, are you ready to celebrate? Congratulations, Festival Holiday, the one and only Tina.
Everybody gather round. Let your body feel the heat. Don't you worry if you can't let the rhythm of your feet. Holidays. My name is Tina Aldana, and this is the Sounds of Celebration Band. We come from all over Latin America: Honduras, Peru, Venezuela, Puerto Rico, Mexico, Chile, Panama, and we are all bonded by music. So tonight we're going to take you on this musical journey with all the sounds that we love to hear. Salsa, merengue, cumbia, and flamenco rumba. Are y'all ready to party out there? To quote one of my favorite Cuban artists of all time, Celia Cruz. La vida es un carnaval y las penas se van cantando, which means life is a carnival and we sing our sorrows away. Everybody make some noise! Es el momento que va caminando, es el momento que es un tumbao. Cuando la gente va caminando, le va de lado. La negra tiene tumbao. Azúcar, azúcar, y yo camino de lado. Azúcar, Let's see. Ooh, we are doing pretty good for a Monday night, aren't we? Yes. All right, everybody say hello to Norman Jackson here from Honduras.
What's up, Norman?
Hey, Norman. You look real good today. You look really fine, really fine. Okay, question for you. First of all, are you having a good time?
Oh yeah, I'm having a good time.
Okay, second question is, how does your family like to celebrate Christmas back in Honduras? Tell us.
Yeah, Tina, we like to make tamales, some burritos, tacos, play some soca.
There's a lot of things, right? All the tamales fans make some noise. That's a good one. Tamales on Christmas. That's what my family likes to do. Also, a tradition for my familia mexicana is we like to watch Disney movies on Christmas Day. That's what we like to do. Who else likes to do that? I can't be the only one. And can you guess which is our favorite Disney movie for my familia mexicana to watch?
Alice in Wonderland.
That's a good one too. He said it. Okay, all the Coco fans make some noise! Because just like Ernesto de la Cruz said, never underestimate the power of music. Remember me, and though we have to say goodbye, remember me. Don't let it make you cry. For even though far away, I'll hold you in my heart. I sing a sacred song to you each night we are apart. We're all the Coco fans. Recuérdame. To travel far, recuérdame. En mi camino besar. Y ahora estás donde me hayas olvidar. Que yo contigo siempre voy. Remember me. Y'all make some noise for the one and only Alejandro Naco and that beautiful Spanish guitar. Woo! The Spanish guitar is so beautiful, isn't it? I love the sound of it. You can hear the Spanish guitar in many Latin genres. It's a staple sound for us. You can hear the Spanish guitar in Latin pop. You can hear it in mariachi. And one of my favorites, you can also hear it in flamenco rumba. Y'all make some noise!
De esta manera no tiene la culpa. Amor de compra y venta, amor del pasado. Ven, 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 ven. Bambolea, bambolea. Mi vida yo la prefiero vivir así. Bambolea, bambolea. Mi vida yo la prefiero vivir así. No le encuentro la banda. El
countdown and we need your help, alright? We're gonna start at cuatro. Remind me, after cuatro is? Tres. After tres is? Dos. After dos is? Uno. We're good to go.
Here we go.
Cuatro. Tres. Dos. Uno.
Ese error es cosa de musical journey is to the sounds of merengue. Y'all ready for this? I am so excited. Okay, once again, how many people are out there? We need a lot of people. On the count of three, 1, 2, 3, make some noise. There's a lot of people here tonight. I love it. Oh, I have an idea.
What's up?
How about we teach everybody out there a quick merengue dance step,
Okay.
and then we all can dance together. Is that cool? Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cross over with our left foot. Perfect. Step out to the right.
Nailed it.
Step out to the left.
Oh, okay, I'm so sorry.
And then bring it together.
Yeah, no, I need
One more time, Sebastian.
Yeah, please, I'm sorry.
Okay. Cross over with your left.
Got it.
Step out to the right.
Oh, no, I'm
Step
sorry.
out to the left.
Oh, okay.
Then bring it together.
Faster.
I mean, I'm faster. No,
No.
no, I'm not ready.
Five,
What is
six,
it? You know,
seven, eight. Cross, right, left,
Okay.
together. Cross, right.
Okay, look.
They got it.
I just have to get out of my own way, guys. Norman's doing it perfectly.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at
You
that.
all look amazing.
You're looking good out there. You guys ready to try out some music?
Yeah, maybe I'll just sing. I'll just sing. Yeah, just sing
Here we
it.
go.
Suavemente, bésame, que quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez. Suavemente, bésame, que quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez. Bésame, bésame, bésame otra vez, que yo quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez. Besa, besa,
day. You know what? Oh, you know why? Because it's Christmas time inside of Disney California Adventure. Make some noise if you're ready for Christmas. I am so ready. Ooh, on the count of 3, tell me what you guys want for Christmas. 1, 2, 3.
To be in a band. Oh my goodness!
That's easy. That's easy. Think about it. Everybody say hello to Kevin Chong here from Peru.
Kevin Chong.
Hey, Kevin! You look good today. All right, question for you. Are you having a good time? Don't you love this audience tonight? You can't see them? Yeah, the lights are on. Okay. Well, if you can't see them, everybody make some noise so Kevin knows you're here. Okay, how does your family like to celebrate Christmas back in Peru? Tell us.
Mexico's good, dude. Tina, we do 2 things. We start opening gifts at 12 a.m. Norman, what kind of bread do we eat, bro? Panettone bread. It's very good.
Ooh, that sounds yummy. How about you, Alejandro Blanco from Venezuela?
Family gets together and we get to eat a lot of traditional food.
It's all about the food. It's all about the food. How about you, Julian Javier from Panama?
Yeah, you know, Tina, my family just loves sitting around and listening to Christmas music.
I love Christmas music. Who
So
likes Christmas music out there? It's my favorite time of year. I turn on the radio and all my favorite Christmas songs come on. Oh, can I sing? Can I sing my favorite Christmas song for you guys? Can I? To get everybody into the Christmas mood, you know? I promise you're gonna know it because it's on the radio like every 5 minutes, okay? And then when you hear it, you know it, you sing along with me, you promise?
Oh, we need a little Christmas right this very minute. Candles in the window.
No, that's not it. But they're gonna know it. I promise. They're gonna know this one. You ready? All right, here we go. Don't want a lot for Christmas. There's just one thing I need.
Take your time,
I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for now. More than you could ever know. Maybe I wish come true.
Sing
holiday decorations and the yummy treats. Everybody say hello to Philip Ruiz here.
What's up,
From
Philip?
Puerto Rico.
Hi, how are you?
How you doing? You
I'm
look
doing
real good today.
Me, look at you. You look like a Disney princess. How beautiful, right? They should make a movie out of you.
Okay, I'll give you a raise. I'm just kidding.
See, it works.
First of all, one question for you.
What question?
Don't you love this audience tonight?
Amazing audience. They're beautiful. Yeah, they're beautiful. They're beautiful.
On a Monday night too. This is happening. It's happening here.
Yeah, especially-
All right, another question for you. I didn't ask you.
What's that?
What do you want for Christmas this year?
Funny you should mention that. I don't think I'm getting anything for Christmas.
What? I'm not gonna get anything for Christmas.
Why? Why not? Aren't you getting anything?
I don't really want to say. Next song. Here we go. Next song. One, two. Oh, 1, 2.
Stop, wait. Hold on.
That's not
Hold on, guys. Hold on.
I didn't learn this.
Phil, are you on the naughty list? Philip Ruiz?
Naughty list.
Okay, you gotta tell us. What did you do? Come on. I want the cheese man.
He's anxious. He's shaking.
Say it louder.
I ate all of Santa's cookies last year. All of them. I'm not even sorry. They were delicious. Still paying the price.
But you're on the naughty list now, so.
But I'm kind of sad.
You know what? It's okay. It's okay. I know what will cheer him up. First of all, give him some love. Come on. Second of all, this guy loves to dance.
Oh my goodness, I
You
love-
guys like to dance? Come on, it'll cheer you up. Everybody
look at
dance.
him
Come
go.
We hope your holiday season is filled with love, happiness, and unity.
And remember, no matter where you're from, no matter how you celebrate, we want to wish you and your familia a very merry holiday season. Make so nice for Christmas, everybody! Oe, oe. Oe,
about the words on your mind. We can leave them all behind to the beat of the rhythm of the night. Oh, the rhythm of the night. Forget about the words on your mind. La 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 la.
Let's hear it again for Tina and the Sounds of Celebration.
All right, that's it. Okay.